Now, I would trust him to say mayonnaise.
Mio de noche.
What?
Hello guys, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be making TINI'S Mac and Cheese.
Cheese is a hit, but
To start with preheating the oven to 350 degrees. In a grease a 9x13 inch baking dish. Okay, so let's do that. I already got most of my ingredients out. So. Alright, we got it. It's super big. I greased the pan. No! We need to boil some noodles. Alright, so we're boiling the noodles.
A few moments later.
Yep.
Hello there.
Alright. Cheese.
Cheese.
Alright guys, so we gotta preheat the oven and grate the cheese. Grate.
Oh, can you see into my eyes like open door?
Yeah. We got 16 ounces of mozzarella. We got 16 ounces of Colby Jack. And
Cheese.
we got 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. So we're gonna grate that all up into the bowl.
Alright, so I don't usually do voiceovers, but I just wanted to come in here to tell you how painstakingly long it took to shred the cheese. Now, when I'm telling you, this took hours to do, and this is only just a small clip of the pain and suffering I had to endure, but luckily I had some people to help me along the way and give me mental and emotional support, because without them, I don't know if I could have made it to the end of this video.
One eternity later.
Just kidding, what's up, I'm back. I just kind of wanted to, do a voiceover because for this portion of the video, I don't really have much explanation for what I'm actually doing because it was very hectic and, we had to do everything kind of fast with stirring the mixtures and stuff, and it was getting stressful because we started to realize that all of our stuff wasn't going to fit in the little saucepan that the recipe called for. So we basically had to transfer all of the sauce into a bigger pot, and then add the noodles, and then put it into the baking dish that I greased earlier, and then put it in the oven. I didn't record any of that.